Welcome back, everybody, to Work Right Planner. My name is Erica, and I am so excited to have you here today. Sometimes you start things and you wonder how they're going to go, and they don't go off real well, so you start having like really negative thoughts. And I am here to tell you that I finally have orders in my Etsy shop. Yay! Okay, so I am obviously super excited, and you probably can't tell that by my voice. I noticed when I was filming last time that I sound a little bit muted, but I think it's because this is the first thing that I do when I get up in the mornings, because it's the only time my house is quiet, and my voice is just weird first thing in the morning, apparently, but I apologize for that. But I am super excited to have you here today. Not only have I gotten one order, but I've gotten two. And the first order that I got was my first international order. So y'all pray for me. I'm going to need it. I have no idea what's going on here. I'm hoping Etsy's going to hold my hand through it. But I wanted to share with you as I package my very first orders. Yay! So the first order, we'll just go over this. What I've got to pack and ship things in is a rigid mailer. Everybody has really recommended these online. They're going to protect the stickers from being bent on the way, hopefully. I have cellophane bags to protect them from any moisture that they might come across. I have do not bend stickers that I made myself. Whenever you design stickers, sometimes you have some areas that aren't being used, and I have a real hard time with, sorry about the shadows, guys. I tried something new to see if that would help with a little bit of shadowing I was noticing, and I don't think it's helping. So, lesson learned. I'll try the old light setup next time. Sorry. Anyway, it's not as noticeable when that cellophane's not back there. Anyway, I have put these do not bend stickers at the edges wherever I can fit them. Sorry, I went out of screen. But at the edges of the paper so that I can have do not bend stickers for my packages. So I've got that. I have, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let's see how this goes. There you go. Thank you for shopping with me. Stickers. I'm not exactly satisfied with these, but they're what I have for now, and they're what I'll use for now until I can print something else. These are on a sticker pack that I'm probably not going to be printing anymore, so I have several of them, but they'll be gone hopefully soon, right? Okay. So that is what I have to go in my packages. I do have tissue paper, but I'm kind of practical, and I don't really see the sense in the tissue paper at this point. I'm not sure. Should I use tissue paper? I don't know. We'll think about that. Maybe I'll decide on that. Give me a comment below and let me know what you think. Should I wrap it in white tissue paper and then put the sticker on it? I don't know. Anyway, this morning, what's important is getting the orders out and two people in a timely manner, and I have two jobs, so I have to do it while I can, and I don't have time to really, it's not that I don't have time. If I allow myself to get distracted by that one little detail, these will be late, and I don't want that to happen. So, this first lady, I've put a special note on there for her because she is my very first customer. But when you print these out, I'm going to cover up my note. When you print these out, it actually is printing, let me see if I can get this where you can see it. It is printing my shop name and the shop store. It's got who I'm delivering it to, my return address, the date that it's supposed to be shipped by, how they made their payment, This is international shipping, which is why it costs so much. But she has ordered 2 of these weekly home blessing sticker sheets that have the brick washi on them, which I thought the brick was just really, really cute for whatever reason. I thought it was neat. So there's that. So we are going to pull this to the side. I'm going to stick this down into the cellophane, which is bigger than it needs to be, but that's okay. We'll pull this off, and I think what I'm going to do is I will bring this, I should have put that the other way. Let's do this the other way. If I waste a bag, I waste a bag. We're going to put this facing the back. See, I should have practiced this somehow, but I'm sorry if that just shook my camera. I have a binder that I keep a bunch of accounts that I have to monitor, the rental account and lots of our side hustle accounts and whatnot that just fell off of the back of my desk. Anyway, so I hope that that lays flat. Okay, so we've got that one. I'm going to turn this one in so that it looks like a little package. Look at that. Okay, this is where, I wish that would just lay down. This is where I'm going to put the sticker at. Thank you for shopping with me. This is a removable matte sticker, so they should just be able to open it up instead of it ripping anything. Okay, look at that. I'm so happy. Okay, we'll stick this down in here. I'm going to fold this, and the first order is going to Canada. So instead of possibly showing you all where these are going, I'm just going to fold this in half, the little packing slip here. Y'all, so excited. Slide this down in here. It fits perfectly if you fold it in half. Okay, I don't know what the red is there for, but we're gonna, oh, because that's what helps it pull off. See, I haven't even looked that close at these yet. Y'all, the 2 jobs thing, trying to get this done, like, sometimes it feels like I'm just going through the motions. Look at that! First order. Okay. I've got to print the packings, or print the shipping labels. Oh, I might have to open this one. I might have wasted this rigid mailer. I don't know where the customs thing is supposed to go. I'll find out. We'll see. Anyway, so this is what the package will look like. I'm so excited. Okay, so there's Miss Canada. By the way, I'm not sharing your name, but thank you so much for being the first order in my shop. I put an extra gift in here for you, for being number 1 and taking a chance on a shop with no orders. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, I'm going to set this over here. Oh, I am not going to add the Do Not Bend sticker until I see how the shipping label is going to fit on here, and I'm just going to put it somewhere on the side. So we'll see. I'm going to keep that with that. Okay, so order number 2 is going to Chicago. So let's make that a little here in Kentucky. Oh, look, I'm making a mess, y'all. Okay, here in Kentucky, we generally say Chicago, But I've got a friend who is from Wisconsin, and I always loved the way she said that, and it was Chicago. So I think of that, and I think of her every time that I see the word. And my fiance has a friend that lives on the suburbs of Chicago, and he's talked about going up there. He was like, we can hand deliver the order. Let's go. I was like, I am not showing up at some random person's house and being like, thank you for placing my order. I can't do that because then I would be a psychopath. So that would ruin my shop. But, you know, talk about personal service there. Okay, so she has ordered the training script stickers with the polka dot washi. I actually use these, and you've seen me use them in my Plan With Me's. So I hope that she enjoys them very, very much. But she ordered just one. And we're going to come down here and seal this off. Oh, don't pull my sticker sheet. Okay. Wait. Let's fix this. You're pulling on the sticker sheet, and I can't have that. No. We don't want it that close. We want you snug, but not that snug. Okay. So there's that. And I say on my sticker sheet, it's not my sticker sheet anymore, it's her sticker sheet. Okay, so I've got the edges folded down. If you all know of a way to make these kind of lay flat, let me know, because I don't have a clue how to do that. I'm just doing the best I can for the moment. So we have the thank you for shopping with us and the sticker sheet all protected. I'm going to put this down in here. Let's pull off these Post-its. I did not want to risk anyone's address or their name if they didn't want it on there to show up on my video. So I wanted to cover those. But I'm so excited and I'm so appreciative. You guys are wonderful. I can't even begin to express to you how much I appreciate this. So it's in there perfectly. And we're going to fold this down. Take this off. Number 2 is in the rigid mailer. Okay, so give me just a second. I'll be right back. I'm going to print these mailing or shipping labels. Etsy's site said not to print those until you're ready to send your package, because it will send the tracking information to the customer, and the customer expects for it to ship right then. So I'm waiting for that. So give me just a second. Welcome back, everybody. If you happen to hear my grandbaby in the background, I apologize, and I do have a show playing for her, so there might be a little bit of background noise, but it took me a little bit to get all of this put together. I had some trouble with the international label, but I found the problem, and it's all good now. But I ended up forgetting to hit the record button on the camera. So the United States, my USPS package, it's already put together. I'm so sorry. But I've got my rigid mailer, and I bought some stickers that are some sticker paper that is half sheets so that I could print my labels off on them, and that's how it turned out. It is perfect. Nothing out of the ordinary. I bought the label through Etsy, and it comes with automatic tracking on it. So hopefully we will know exactly how to track this package. So I did do media mail, which from what I could find was the lowest price, but if anybody ships stickers and you know of a cheaper way to mail, I'm all about making this cheaper for you guys. So just let me know what you might know. But anyway, this came straight out of Etsy. This one's good to go. This is my international one, and I wanted to show you that the labels are different as you would expect them to be. Of course, this one's going to Canada, but it prints all of the customs stuff right on the label, and it even will electronically sign it for you if you want it to. But that in my opinion is awesome. So I'm going to move this out of the way. Okay, so you've seen me package the package. I did use my scale to weigh it. All I'm going to do at this point is pull my label off, and like I said, it's just one great big sheet. So I pulled the label off. I'm going to try to center it as much as possible and just rub all the bubbles out of it so that it lays flat. And let's go in. If I can get this apart. There we go. Let's see. And I'll just put the do not bend up here on this one. There we go. My packages are put together, y'all. I am so excited. So first two orders are out the door and on their way to the post office. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If either of you, you know who you are, happen to be watching this, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for making this dream a reality. I actually have some orders, y'all. Okay, I will see you all later this week. Bye.